Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine. Today, inshallah, we will learn about Allah, lessons, the first lesson in Aqidah lessons, chapter 1, who is Allah? Allah is the only one. Allah is the only God. Allah is one and alone. Allah was not born. Allah has no father, has no mother, has no wife. He has no partner. Allah is eternal. It means He will not die. He will not die. Allah is independent. He has no children. He has no need for children to live after Him. Allah does not need children to help Him. He does not need anyone to help Him because He is independent. There is no God except Allah. Allah is the only one. See you later. Goodbye. And I hope you are all fine. See you later, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.